Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your EPFO employee account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, go to your web browser and search www.epfindia.gov.in. You will be redirected to the Employee Provident Fund Organization India. Just look at the top left corner under Services, you'll find For Employees. Click on it. Here, you can see services on the bottom left corner of your screen. Under Services, just click on Member UN/Online Service. After clicking it, you will be redirected to this login portal where you have to enter your credentials and also the CAPTCHA given on the screen. After entering all the credentials, simply sign in. Or you can reset and start over again. But if you forgot your password, then simply click on Forgot Password. With EPF account, employees can update their customer details, claim the EPF amount, and check their balance. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comments and feedback will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.